Right, we got our old Range Rover out. We've out from the depths, and we're doing a little video for Nick. Nick's struggling with his GPS, so I said you want to use the onboard navigation diagnostic stuff. So that's what we're going to go. We're going to find the secret menu in the car on the navigation screen and look at the GPS. Hopefully we're outside enough now so that we can get some navigation and read it. And apparently you can also do some unlocks and menus, but I've never done it. I blagged to Nick that I knew what I was on about, and he got in there. So let's have a look. Right, you want to jump around the other side, Gary? And right then. Here we go. Right, so right, let's start this. Let's start this bad boy up. Let's have some battery running. Oh, don't know if you can hear that. Right, here we go. Right, so let's have a look at this screen. So apparently there's a little naughty secret menu that you can get to. So apparently if we go on the navigation screen, this is already on YouTube, but I'm using it for a slightly different purpose. Where are we going? Menu. Where are we going? Menu. Right, and oh gosh, road navigator. Oh, let me go back to. There you go. Oh, and go back. Navigation. Oh, we'll go on road navigation. There we go. Right, and oh, right. Hold on. Where do we go? That's it. You need to get to that screen, and you need to press and hold somewhere in the middle here, somewhere near the U apparently. Now this is on a Range Rover full size L322. Should be about the same from 2006 to 2009, so with the touch screen. Right, let's have a go. And we hold it for 1, 2, 3. Take it off again.
You said for about 6 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Oh, did you get where that was, everybody? Yeah, right. Okay, and then you got to enter the secret code, which is a diagonal. 7, 5, 3. Okay. Oh, we are now in. Oh, it's secret parts now. So we've got some separate submenus in here. We've got a software version 2007. We've got a map version, and that will give you your map date there, which might be interesting. So it looks like I'm probably something like 2008. I'm not sure. And then what have we got? We've got the navigation part number here and a serial number, right? And now. Right, first thing, if you go into the navigation info, right, and go, right, it's one of these. No, it's not. I'm going to go into GPS information. So this is really a good way of checking if your GPS antenna is working or not. If you go in here, now, Nick has got 0000s on all of these. Now, what you should have, Nick, is you should have some sort of levels. You see we've got 27, 43, 53. So this is telling us, I think this is the signal level we are getting from these satellites. So these are all individual satellites, and this is the elevation and the zoom thing, which is sort of angle of where it's pointing. And obviously it needs the signal strength from 3 satellites to pinpoint where we are. You need 3 points. This is how the old GPS works. So interestingly, Nick was saying I haven't got any date or time. It appears that we neither have any date or time, so I wouldn't get stressed about that. But you will be stressed if you've got none of these levels here. And you won't have levels on all of them because some of the satellites will be over the other side of the world or whatever, I'm guessing. Right, so that's one screen there. So your most likely cause, if you've got 000000, is the antenna, and we've done the video, and we'll do the little pointy thing there, and we'll do the video of how to change your antenna and replace it. Right, should we have a sniff about? Yeah. Right, now apparently there's a way of unlocking. Apparently you can't enter. We'll go into that in a minute. Vehicle signals. So this is PKB. I think is parking brake. I think if I take my brake off, there you go, look at that. Yeah. There you go, on, off, that's my handbrake. Emergency brake, my friends in America like to call it. Reverse off. If I go into, I don't think that's rev, I don't think that's me revving it. I think if I go into reverse, oh gosh, it kills the screen. Park, go on, go back, go on screen, go back, take
that little back button.
Yeah.
That's cool.
I think that is reversing. What do you reckon? Do you reckon that's illumination? Hold on, where's my lights?
Potentially, yeah.
No, and obviously your speed when you drive along, that's the speed. This is the speed pulse count, I think. Distance calibration. That's probably to do with the size of the wheels you got, and they calibrate, because maybe in theory if you change your wheels for those big gangster bad boys, you got to change it. This is some voltage offset, right? Okay, so I don't think we need to do anything. I don't think we want to press reset, do we?
No.
No, if you go press and reset, don't sue my ass. Right, okay. Reset position, what does that do? Please press the reset button to reset the vehicle position to the current map DVD default. I wonder if that's the default position. When you get in the car, before it's got the GPS signal, it might do that.
Maybe.
Don't know. Who knows?
We're learning.
We're learning. I don't know what we're learning. I don't even know if we're learning, Gary. Right. Self-check, manual check. Now, so we'll quickly zoom through that, and then we'll go through. We've got to enter this other code to get into that other menu. So stay with me. Don't give up. Right. Don't have a cup of tea yet. Navigation. We've done that, haven't we? Done that. Parts information. So nav player, loader. There we go. That's it. Format version, date version. There we go. That's just about the disc, it looks like. Alright. Manual check. What's that? RGB test. That sounds like a screen check. There you go. Look, we've got all RGB. Look, there you go. RGB. What else? We got microphone test. Should we try that?
Can do.
Please speak at normal level into the microphone. Alright. Hello. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at that. It's there. So with the microphone's working. There we go. Happy with that. Right. What else we got? Diagnostics menu. Memory even. Wish. What does that mean, Gary?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't know either. My goodness me. That looks like, yeah, error codes. That, I guess if you knew what these were, you might better tell what error codes. And in the same way that the gap diagnostics call, it might be code for some of those. These could be dates. Well, that's a date and that's a time, right? And I think this is the error code 330. So you might actually, we could Google some of those. These don't look too bad actually. They could be error codes, but don't know. Well, I know the error codes, right? So that's the memory. So I think that's the diagnostics memory. Voice output test. Ready? Wish. There you go.
No idea what that
Normal.
means.
Hello?
Is that the SATNav voice?
Maybe.
Depending on how loud you want it, maybe.
Yeah, we'll have normal. Got no idea what that does. Right. Right. What I want to do is to go back. Have we done all these now? We haven't done the self-check, have we? Right. Internal diagnostics routine. Please wait. No errors detected. She's sweet.
That's right then.
That other kiddie on YouTube, he didn't have any errors, but his dashboard was coming out with errors, so I think this screen may lie. Right then. Right, let's get out of this. Right, please cycle ignition to restart. It doesn't look like there's any way out of this screen without stopping and starting it. So let's kill that. Let that go. On my car ever working? It's still there. Maybe I've got to lock it. Hold on. Alright. We're going to be stuck in that. Come on, lock. Wait. I can't even lock it. It ain't happening. My key might be. Right, let's try again. Oh, it's still there. What are we going to do? Turn it off. I don't know what's that doing. No, we're going to have to leave it. Let's get out and lock it, and we'll come back in a second. Right, we've locked it, unlocked it. It's still coming up. Maybe we'll have to let it go into sleep mode. Because I don't think there's any way of getting out of that. Right, we'll have to lock it and let it go into sleep mode. Give it 5 minutes. Right, that looks right. Okay, so we've let the car go to sleep. We've locked it. We've done another video and it reverts. So don't panic. It will take a while to get out of that screen. Now, where were we? Oh, right. Yeah, don't worry. Right, let's start it up. Oh, cool. You're close with the Freelander there. Right, let's agree to that. Right, now we're going to try and get into that second code. Have I lost my little bit of yellow paper? Yeah, I think I can remember what it was. Right, there you go. It defaults to there. So everything's working again anyway. Right, let's go back to the menu. Get it up where it says navigation menu. I reckon it's dead center screen on that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. Was it 17?
7, 5. Oh.
No, because
wait.
it's the other one. I think it was 17, 19.
Try it. Oh.
No. Right, we're going to form a bit of paper. Right, it's 17, 91. Okay. Oh. And that looks the same again. Let me try again. No. Okay, well I'll double. Right, now we've just put the 753 code in again. Right, I'm going to put it to sleep again. But we've just found another menu. Now notice on this one that the options we've got, the other menu we're going to show you will look the same, but instead of this cycle to restart, it's a different one that you seem to be able to get out of, and it's also got a software update button here. So bear with us, we're going to put the car to sleep again. We're going to come back and we're going to enter the new code and show you whether that may be a better way than doing this one. So let's have a look. Right, the other code we're going to put in is it's quite a complicated one. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. Right, now look, you see that's the same menu looking thing. We'll just skirt about, but you can get out of it by pressing this one, and also we've got the software updates. Let's just have a look if it's got. This is all the same stuff, isn't it, look, Gary?
Yeah.
So this is the better menu to use, actually. So those of you that got bored at the beginning and they've lost out. Reset position, GPS information. Didn't it have actually this one has it's got it's got the vehicle signals, which is all that, So that's all the same. So I'm pretty sure this is all the same. The self-check. Let's just see if this self-check does any faults, because that other menu never gave any faults, did it? No error detected. Right, this is, what do you reckon that one does? Software update.
Not update this system, maybe.
Maybe it's if you got a. Whoa. So look, I'm not going to go into this. Oh, it's tempting because I've got no way of updating it. I've not, but I guess if you had access to the dealer software, you could maybe go in and do that. But I'm gonna bottle it. Unlike me, I normally trash everything. So that's a better menu to use because you can get in and out of it. So watch the end. Right, there's another menu as well. So let's just try this other menu. Someone said there's a menu with 660. If you have any other menus you want me to try, put a note in the comments. So let's try 660. No, doesn't seem to. Now, there's one apparently. There was that 1791 that apparently enables you to be driving and then the SATNav locations, enter postcodes and stuff. Which the other one makes you stop, which is really quite annoying, especially if you've got your partner next to you and go enter the postcode. I'm driving there, but they can't do it. You've got to stop, even though. That's what we found so far. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you know any more, because we just regurgitate other people's information half the time. If you know any more, put it in the comments below. If we learn any more, we'll do another updated video. Good luck with that.